Today, I'm going to be telling you guys about how me, Nathan Ramirez, almost bought a Supra 3.0.
In this case, 382 horsepower from a turbocharged 3-liter inline-6.
Might buy a car, might not, but we're going to check it out today and see how it is.
Delivering a blistering 0 to 60 time of just 3.9 seconds. Post-weave carbon fiber exterior accents, hence the CF in its name.
Here to check out Supra, see, might buy a car, might not, but we're gonna check it out today and see how it is, see if I like it. I'm gonna do the first startup, see how it sounds. Pretty nice.
Let it warm up or what?
Yeah, put it twice. They just cleaned it, huh? Yeah. Push a little bit on the gas. Yo, what's up guys? Just bought a new Supra. No, I didn't, but I'm dreaming. Hopefully it goes through, but I don't think it is. But this thing's nice. Look who it is. It's Tony. Yo,
what's up?
What up, Tony? Oh, what's up, you guys? Nathan Ramirez here, and today we're gonna go to a car meet here with Tony.
What's up?
We're gonna go swoop up Jason right now, and we're gonna see what kind of trouble we can get into. Hopefully, not too much, but just enough. Yo, what's up, Jace? What's up, Jace? We're at Dave's Hot Chicken, man, and we're gonna get some hot chicken. You gonna get some sliders? What are you gonna get, Tony? Tenders.
What's your spice level, Nathan?
Mild, because I ain't trying to be I ain't trying to be in the restroom later. I'm trying to have fun. What about you? What's your spice level?
Mild.
Mild? What about you?
Come and get hot, extra hot maybe.
Why don't you try the Reaper?
I tried that once and that was bad.
Yeah, me too.
Someone's gonna have a good time on the toilet.
Me too. I've tried that before. Cut back to the clip.
Way too hot.
Crab dick.
You heard too or what?
I was just messing around. I didn't actually hear it.
That's what I heard. Crab dip.
Oh.
Crab in there? I don't know. I tried it. It was pretty good. I know you don't like seafood. That's why I'm saying it was pretty good.
So just finished up at Dave's Hot Chicken, and I don't know what's the plots now. I think it's either going to go to a car meet, we're going to go gamble, test our luck, or strip. Once we're at the location, you'll find out what our decision was. Catch you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we barely made it, and we made it to Commerce Casino. We're gonna go ball out, see if we can like make some money right now, make something happen. Show you guys if I do bet anything. I'll show you guys a clip. All of our first time at the casino, so hey, what are you expecting? You gonna come back with a bunch of money?
I'm hoping I don't lose all my money.
Imagine we come back with 1,000.
Hey, that'll be a good day. We'll be back if that's the case.
I don't need a miracle for that.
Alright guys, I'll let you know how it is when we get back. Guys, so this is about literally 5 minutes later. We came out even. We didn't lose any money, but that's because we didn't gamble. What were you expecting?
I was expecting like
Vegas vibes.
Vegas, yeah, exactly. That was nothing.
Everybody
like
in there
that.
looked like bots. Like
They're on the computer just.
Exactly.
Honestly guys, so there was like literally just poker tables, like 100 of them, and there was so many people there, and it was just in 2 big rooms, no slots, no roulette.
Almost
nothing.
like a bingo set. Just poker.
And it was so weird. So now that that's over, it's like shut down completely by the cops. There's like 30 cops at every single light. So right now we're hoping that we can get in and walk out and even take a look at all these cars, because there's so many cars and they're all custom. So let's go check it out. Oh, look at this little pinata. It's a girl too. It's crazy. We've been in line for 20 minutes now, and I'm not even sure if we're gonna be able to get in. It looks like no one's getting in, so. Is this your first car meet, Jace?
This is my first car meet we have here.
Yeah, they're just already two-stepping out here. What the?
Dad, when you said it, but if I could say, I'm gonna do a two-step and a pill out. Did anybody come up to me and say, nah, bro, you can't do it? But why would you?
Oh my God. What's going on over there? People on. Oh, that's crazy. Oh! That sounds good.
I think someone's overheating.
Oh, that looks fun in there. It's a party house. This guy's slammed.
I came to see the RX-7. One day I'll own this thing.
Are you drifting over here, bro? Bro, I'm ready to run. This is gonna hit us. Skyline that I got to see, so I think it was pretty cool. Pretty crazy?
Yeah.
I love this. Love this, baby.
Got me deep in my pockets, I might give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. She popping and dropping, she rockin' top, it's no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like.
So we just left that car meet and we are at a next car meet. Let me put my window down so you can hear what's going on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys hear that, but we're just gonna see what cars are here. Look at that nice blue Beamer. God, what's going on? What? Are you scared, Anthony? You alright, man? You look a little scared. Oh, what kind of rap is that?